In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order online from Publix. To get started, open the Publix delivery or pickup page. This is where you can shop for groceries online and choose whether you want your order delivered to your home or prepared for pickup. Once the page loads, take a moment to get familiar with the layout so it's easier to move through your shopping list. At the top of the page, you'll see a search bar. This is one of the quickest ways to find exactly what you need. You can type in a specific product like eggs, milk, cereal, or any other grocery item you're looking for. Using the search bar helps save time, especially if you already know what you want instead of browsing through multiple categories. After you enter your item, look through the related products that appear in the results. You may see different brands, package sizes, or variations of the same item, so it's a good idea to compare your options before choosing. When you find something you want, click the plus button next to that product to begin adding it. You may also be taken to a product details page. Here, you can review the item more closely before finalizing your choice. This is useful if you want to confirm the size, type, or other details. When you're ready, click Add to Cart to place that item in your shopping cart. Continue browsing and repeat the same process for the rest of the items you need. As you shop, use the plus sign button to quickly add more products to your cart. This is a simple way to build your order step by step without losing your place. If you're shopping for several items, going one product at a time can help you stay organized. Once you're done adding everything you need, click the cart icon in the top right corner of the screen. This will open your cart so you can review the items you selected. It's a good habit to quickly scan your cart at this stage to make sure everything looks right before moving on. Next, click Go to Checkout. This will take you to the final part of the ordering process. On the checkout screen, check your address carefully to make sure your order is going to the correct location. After that, proceed to payment to complete your order. And that's it. Once your payment is submitted, your Publix online order is on its way through the system.